Boneyard Garage here with another Boneyard tip. Look at this lawnmower found down at the dump. Thing is like brand new. I did have to clean the carburetor because, you know, ethanol. But if you look underneath, see how I use that for that? Motorcycle tire chalk comes in handy holding a lawnmower up. Look underneath. It is mint. How clean it is. I didn't do nothing. I didn't clean it yet. I did get it running. The blade is like brand new, other than putting an edge on it. So yeah, I got it running. Runs good. I just had to clean the carburetor. That's all I had to do. Gotta put a couple bolts in the handles. They're loose. But my tip for the day is how to clean a foam air filter. If you can't get a new one right away, most of the time you can get them pretty clean. I don't use gas and I don't use carburetor cleaner because that would make the foam swell up. Take a hot bucket of water with some Dawn dish soap, put it in there. Just keep squeezing it. Soap, keep squeezing it. Okay, then you want to get a paper towel. Let me set the camera up. I should have did that before. And a lot of times you're not going to get them perfectly clean, but you know, until you get a new one, it'll work. Take it in the paper towel, squeeze most of the water out of it until already it's a lot better. Just keep working it best you can. This Dawn dish soap works really good for grease and oil and all that stuff. Don't go doing it in your kitchen sink. That's not a good idea. I'll just get a bucket, do it that way. Okay, paper towel again. Get another one. Gloves off. Pretty clean. I could probably even get it better if I keep working at it, but I don't want to bore you guys. And then you just let it sit out. If the sun's out, you let it sit in the sun, let it dry. You know, sometimes I just leave it in a paper towel. I'll wrap it up, kind of like so, and just leave it in that and let the paper towel soak up. Blow it out with the air hose, but make sure it's nice and dry before you put it back on. You know, and once it goes back on, like so, you know, and then the cover goes on. And it's a lot cleaner. You know, I would recommend getting a new one, but in a pinch, if it's Sunday and you want to mow your grass and your filter's really dirty, and you know, you don't want to go to the hardware store, they don't have one, they have to order you one. You know, this is pretty good for a while. So, okay guys, just a little Boneyard tip. I'm going to finish this mower up, give it a nice cleaning. Sharpen that blade. I already put a new plug in it. I changed the oil, cleaned the carburetor, and you see the price tag was still on it. Where is it? right there that is kind of ripped. I think it says something like 249 or something like that. So I'll put it out for 125 and see what I can get. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, share it. And you guys have a good